Okay, so I've been working with this, trying to get access to the Google Merchandise Store demo account in Google Analytics. And the problem was coming when I was using an account that didn't already have Google Analytics set up with that. So I went in and created an account here to test it because it was working on all mine. So I created this Google Analytics account. I came here, and like everybody else, when I clicked to start measuring, it ended up coming up with a 500 or a internal error, internal server error down here. So I got to looking around at what was going on. And what I came upon is down in this send feedback. Um, Now you can see this. Before, what it did is it says your account is ineligible to send feedback. Get your parents to help you, basically something to that effect. So I was like, okay, that's weird. This is seeing this as a child account. I wonder if that is a property, that is causing that problem. So what I did is I went in and I looked at the age verification, and I had to go through the age verification process to do that. But after that happened, I was able to go through that same process where it was giving me the errors before, and it was able to let this start up. So I was able to create the account. So that's where the problem seems to have been coming from, is it wasn't letting us create the account um, because of this age verification, I think. So what I'm going to do, there is so this is what it was saying is Google can't send feedback, ask your parents, and it was showing up under that send feedback. And so what I did is I went through and verified my age. And now, so at this point, I've got the analytics account set up, but I haven't added any data. I'm now going to try this demo account, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to follow the first link, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, I'm just going to accept all. Not going to add any complication, and there it is. So the place, once you get there, where you find this data is under favorites, and it hasn't applied that to there. So let me try that again. I just reloaded it, and there it is. Favorites is not there. But under recents, it's got the Google Merchandise up. I think this is because I just added, haven't actually accessed the data. But here it is, and that seems to be the problem, at least in the case of the account that I created to try and duplicate this. I now have the ability to go in and see that data, and let's go back to this one. Let me add the other one too, the Google Analytics flood it for the app. So now if I come in here and go to favorites, still not there. But when I come into recents, it's got the uh, demo account. I think this may be how I add it to favorites. There it is right there. So hopefully this solves all the problems that we've had. Boy, am I glad I figured out a possible solution. If you were having trouble and try this, send me a message in Teams and let me know if it did or did not work. And this should allow us to move forward with what we need to do. That's all I've got for today. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.